Good morning, YouTube. We just got to the Boynton Canyon trailhead. We are going to attempt to find Subway Cave today. So it's an unmarked trail. We're kind of winging it. Gary thinks he knows where he's going, so hopefully he does. It's about 7.5 miles, but the view is gonna be pretty epic if we can find it. Wish us luck.
So listen, this wasn't planned. All right, but apparently Michelle got the memo.
On Wednesdays, we wear blue. Before I forget, it is March 8th today, so that means it is my mom's birthday. So happy birthday, Mom. We love you and hope you have an amazing day. Also, one of my best friends has her last round of chemo today, so we are sending lots of positive and healing vibes to you. We love you both. So one of the cool things about this hike is on the way down, we're going to try to hit up the Boynton Canyon Vista. It's known as a healing vortex. We actually went to another one yesterday at Bell Rock. So most of you guys know I have stage 4 cancer, so we're trying to heal this naturally, holistically, organically. So we're trying to get to as many of these vortexes as possible. Peace out, Cancer.
We're about 1.25 miles in, a little over that, and it's a great trail, but be advised it runs right along the Enchantment Resort, so you won't have all that blissful peace and quiet.
So when you see this tree, and also, I'm not sure if you can see it, someone wrote cave on the ground. You have to turn to the right. We're starting to go up a little bit. We can actually hear people from inside the cave. It's echoing, so I think we're almost there.
Look.
Oh wow, here's the opening over there. So cool. So, not sure how great you can see it on the GoPro, but we have to go all the way up here. Looks a little sketchy, but it should be fun. You think I can do this on the side? No issues.
You've come too far now.
Happy anniversary. Thank you. You guys have made our anniversary very special.
Yeah, get up there and help them.
I'm trying. Well, I don't know if this is sketchy.
Is it doable?
It's a little sketch.
Okay, I'm not gonna do that.
1 out of 10, do not recommend.
So if you walk around the edge out of the cave, you'll find some other cool little caves. But the coolest thing are the Indian ruins that you see right here.
You can go in it.
How cool is this? That's your view out of the Indian ruins. For once, I scoped out a spot, and Michelle is loving it.
Mom, Dad, you can't get mad at me. Gary picked this spot.
Don't blame me.
It wasn't me. As mind-blowing as these views are, and we could definitely stay here all day, it's time to head back and do some more exploring in Sedona. But I have to say, this trail is epic. Definitely my new favorite trail in Sedona. I think Gary's too.
Hell yeah.
Wow. There's actually some petroglyphs on the wall. We made it to the turnout for the vista. Let's check out this healing vortex.
So I often say that hikers are the nicest people in the world. And right now we're hiking up to the vortex at Boynton Canyon. And an older gentleman just stopped us and gave us 2 hearts of the clay and didn't want anything for it.
Yeah.
And he was the nicest guy in the world. So
he
thank
basically
you.
just wanted us to spread love, and like, that was the sweetest thing ever. Wow.
Much needed.
Yeah.
Much needed.
Thank you, sir. We heard that if you see trees that are twisted like this, it means that the vortex power is really strong. So please heal my cancer. So if the twisted trees have extra healing powers and you sit on a tree, does that give you like extra healing powers? I just basically climbed to the top of the vortex. Top of the vortex is right there. Gary's right below me, and all those ants down there. That's where we started. But check out this view.
So you know how people drink twisted tea? Well, Michelle found twisted tree.
It means the vortex is strong here. Apparently I've become a tree hugger.
So we are just finishing up the hike to Subway Cave and to the vortex in Boynton Canyon. It was incredible. My tip for anybody doing Subway, get the Gaia app and follow that, because it was dead on. So this finishes our time in Sedona. Thank you for tagging along. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, and we will see you on the next adventure.